i35equipment.com. There's a Kobelco SK210LC-10 hydraulic track excavator. This is stock number 117. We do welcome you to come look at it for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to come to you if you like. We are open by appointment only, so just give us a call, get on the counter. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. If you'd like a hauling quote, we do send equipment all over the country, so getting it shipped to you should not be an issue at all. Just fill out the form on the website, call, text, or email your full delivery address. Current address is several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back the best rate that comes back to us. We do welcome you to come arrange for your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. Also, our specialty here is consignment sales. So if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, give us a call to learn more about our consignment sales service. Or fill out the form on the website. We have folks all over the country for good rain work equipment. We help you get your machinery sold. Excellent digging power. JRB hydraulic quick attach. That XCMG brand bucket is just like brand new. It's 24 inch. It's got very little wear on it. Heel shrouds, rear hoop, 3 teeth. Super heavy duty. Auxiliary hydraulics in case you want to add a hydraulic thumb or other attachment. And we do have hydraulic thumbs and other buckets available if you're interested in that. See, it does have the rear clearance lights. Also has dual front working lights, dual travel speeds, rear view camera, weld-on side guards, cold working air conditioning, dual travel speeds, and a roof guard for the operator. Also has switchable control patterns, so no matter who's operating for you, you go right home with the pattern control of their choice. You're gonna do a little digging for us and then come back and park it. If you're in our local area, we do allow folks to dump dirt, rock, and concrete back here. Just give us a call, we'll unlock the gate and show you where to dump at. Please no grass, trees, or trash. A big chunk of concrete right there somebody dropped off. Go ahead and move some more of this concrete, and when he gets done, we'll let him get parked and we'll take a look around the machine and up in the operator station. He's gonna work on this rock for us. Good digging machine, lots of power, no problem. He's got it parked. We're going to take a look around and all the access panels at the engine. Like I said, we'll end up in the operator station. There's that brand new or like new XCMG bucket, 24 inches wide, 3 teeth. Barely has any paint worn off it, but the metal looks great. Heel shrouds there. That is a JRB hydraulic quick attach system, so if you want to change out buckets real fast, you can do so. We do have other buckets available. As I recall, it's 12 inches wide. You just need to make sure the ears are on your bucket are wider than 12 inches. 80 millimeter pins, and I think it was 17 to 20 inches is what the pin spread and the pin is allowed for on here. All right, let's keep taking a look around here. Guthrie hydraulics for adding other attachments. I thought the undercarriage looked excellent. course, then if you want to have your mechanics or yourself come out and inspect it, welcome you to get a professional opinion on everything. Real clean, real dry in here. This engine actually had a recent service, and all the mirrors are good. Hand and safety rails here. Step. Good glass. There's that roof guard we were talking about. If you hear something weird going, got a big helicopter out there coming by, so just know it's not the machine. This is the Hino engine. Hino builds commercial trucks and heavy-duty engines with power. Sounds like it's operating great. Lights, and when you turn the turntable, the red lights actually flash. It's dry and nice under there like you want it to be. These are those weld-on side guards from the factory. I'm a big fan of those. If you get too close to a tree or other structure, it just kind of helps protect the body of the machine. This is your pattern control switcher. Backhoe or standard excavator, you can just change it out right there. This one's real clean before we brought back here to dig for you. Alright, we're gonna hop up in the operator station. Looks like all the glass is good on this. I'm going to zoom out to that fisheye lens to give you a good view of the interior here. Feel that cold working air conditioning. It does have the rubber removable floor mat in case you want to take it out and wash it off. Factory Kobelco seat. Fire extinguisher back there. When you drop that, it just beeps at you, lets you know that you are live and ready to work. Currently sitting at just about 35, 38 hours. Rear view camera, no codes, no lights, no known issues. This is your horn button. Hydraulic controls. Power control, lights. There's your HVAC control, and it does have a working radio. And it's got a 12-volt charger back here. Appreciate taking time to watch. If you have any questions, just give us a shout. Also be happy to visit with you about the rest of our inventory, which you can all see online at www.i35limit.com. Have a wonderful day.